God, we've had so much rain over the last week. The little stream that we've got down at the bottom there has completely burst its banks. You can just see over in the distance the fields are flooded. You'll see more when I get closer up in a minute. This water is coming from Natalie Wood. As you can see, it's completely, well, we'll see in there after, but it's a complete river. It's ridiculous, and it goes under a pipe there and then comes out here, but it's just burst all the banks and has now gone through the field. And it's a raging torrent at the moment. But in amongst all this crazy rain, the temperatures have been rising slightly, so it's about 6 to 7 degrees. And we do have some lovely, gorgeous signs of spring in these little cow parsleys, which are beautiful. There's Polly waiting for me to throw the ball. It's amazing how water just finds its way and makes its own path in the river. Even if there isn't one, water has to flow and it will flow wherever it wants to go. Look at that through those trees. And now I've got to get over this. And I've got wellies on, but I'm not going to try. I'm going to go on this one, see if I can get over. Oh God. Ooh! Did it. And a little stream which in summer is empty. Look at this. Big torrent. Crazy, crazy. Here comes BP. He's not scared of anything. Look at him. Sniffing for water rats and rakandens. You're not going in there. Come on. Look at this. And in the distance, Barnaby has got the smell of something and is now going absolutely bonkers by a raging torrent of a river. Well, really, it's not really a river, is it? I'm just desperate to get in. Barnaby, come on, out from there. Oh, and I'm supposed to walk over there. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to. This is crazy. Now this part of the stream is usually a bridge there, and the bigger part of the stream in the distance is 2 meters deep, so you can see how much water is coming down from these fields and from the fields in the distance. I was going to go around there, but I'm not. I'm going to go back again because it's ridiculous. I'm not trying it. I've got wellies on, but I'm not trying it. Come on, pop it. This is Natalie Wood. Usually this is just a tiny little pond with hardly any water in, and in the summer completely dry. But now it's a pond with a torrent of streams coming straight down. The path that I normally walk on is actually a river, so we'll walk up there and show you. It's hysterical here because we have this weather now, although we've never had it as wet as this. But in the summer it'll be 40 degrees and there'll be a drought because there'll be no water. Maybe this year there will be water. Depending if they're capturing all this in the reservoirs or not. Polly! She keeps teasing poor Barnaby Pickles. She wants to play and he doesn't want to play because he's a lot older than her. She's got so much energy. Come on. And there's another stream just through there as well. This is complete water And it's never been like that. It's climate change for you, more water.